Hey guys, Rory here from Tuff Streeters. Now you guys queued at the VR Club Sport last month. As a thank you, we've spiced things up a little bit. We've got this VL Turbo BT-1 Tribute. Check it out. So guys, the car is super clean. It's had a full respray. The interior is immaculate. Under the hood, cams, injectors, turbo, cooler, full safe tune for 300 kilowatt at the wheels. Perfect Tuff street car. We're doing double entries for the first 2 weeks, and this draw is only going for 4 weeks. So grab your tickets now at tuffstreeters.com.au.